these really cool tube LED strip lights, and we got them to put underneath our cabinets for a really awesome lighting effect. And I just wanted to do a quick review because I was very impressed with the quality of these. So first off, they come with 3 strands, and you will get them in wheels just like this. And it also comes with a remote and a power source, and the power source actually has a 3-prong, so you can connect all 3 tube wheels to it, okay? And if you install it, like we install it underneath our cabinets here, I'll turn the lights off in a moment so you can get a better feel. But you've used up as much as you need. They actually have cut points within the strip so you can trim it. See right here. And then that way they will still continue to work as long as you cut in those cut points, but you can go and use this in another area of your house. You would just need an additional power source for that. So I just wanted to let you know so you don't have to worry about like, how are we gonna put this in and having a continual feed. And the app is really awesome. So it connects via Bluetooth, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights off so you guys can see. So you can see now we have a complete underlight here, but I can actually go through and control the color. So if you're having a holiday party or something like that, you could definitely play to that. Or if you prefer blues, you can play over to blues. So there's lots to do here. They have some preset, but they also have a really cool feature where you can have the lights go with music. So I'm just gonna play this. So you can see it adjusts and it moves and it switches lights with the beat of the music. So that part is really, really cool. There's also a microphone mode. So if you want it to switch with your voice, it will also do that. Then there is, so here's the microphone mode. Hello? Hello? Yeah, see? So it adjusts with the microphone. And then there's also this whole style mode where you can select like blue pulsating. You can adjust how quickly it does it. There's yellow, there's rainbow, there's green and blue, there's red flashing. There's all sorts of different modes that you can do, and it's controlled by the app. You can, if you don't want to use an app, you can use the remote control to do all of those things as well. That comes with the tube lights. So this is like a really, really high-tech, awesome features. And last I wanted to show you all is it actually has where you can set timers so that it comes on at certain times and turns off at certain times. So we have ours set to come on in the evenings, so that way it lights up all night, and then it'll turn off in the morning once the sun is up. But if you put this in a child's room, it can substitute as a night light, and you can have it on a timer, really anywhere if that you may want to put it on some sort of schedule. So these tube lights were really great, really easy to install. They have adhesive on the back. You just peel it off and stick it exactly where you want it. And we chose to stick it right up underneath so that we get this really cool effect. I highly recommend these. They're super easy to use. Check them out.
is what the lights look like. This is in blue right now. And so you can change them to different colors. Hold on. So, yeah, it's pretty good. And it has different settings on them to where they can just change automatically depending on how you want it. So yeah.